Hello everyone, my name is Taniko Jackson-Martinez, Cognitive Computing Trailblazer with LoopQ Labs. I've been in the industry for about 3 years now, and I'm passionate about transformative technologies like cognitive computing and artificial intelligence, and how these are shaping the future of work as we know it. It's a very exciting space to be in. Today I want to talk about what cognitive computing is and what role the technology plays in enterprise transformation. The question that starts most conversations: what role does LoopQ Labs play in the digital transformation of our enterprise clients? First things first, the glossary. Cognitive computing falls under the umbrella of artificial intelligence, along with machine learning and deep learning. Cognitive computing, however, is different from AI. Though both take data and are able to make decisions from it, cognitive computing gives a little bit extra by striving to learn from that data and emulate the human thought process to produce similar results. Digital transformation is the application of digital capabilities to processes, products, and assets to improve efficiency, enhance customer value, manage risk, and uncover new monetization opportunities, using technologies like cognitive computing and IoT to solve traditional business problems. Now back to the question at hand. What role does LoopQ Labs play in the digital transformation of their enterprise clients? We have a product called LoopQ. It is a general-purpose, human-capacity, unsupervised cognitive computing platform that serves as the brain that understands 100% of enterprise data, both structured and unstructured. From that understanding, or cortex as we like to call it, our system integration partners can build custom unique robot assets that belong to your enterprise that are built on top of LoopQ's understanding of your specific data domain. The process is simple and can be broken down into just a few steps. The first step is to build your cognitive roadmap. Knowing how you want to use cognitive computing and what business problems you are eager to solve using 100% of your data is essential for supporting your current employees and for preparing for the needs of your customers in the future. You could think of a cognitive roadmap as a grocery list for your cognitively enabled applications and cognitive robotic process automation solutions. Next, you select your breakthrough use case. To get started, we get LoopQ ready to learn. Q learns in 2 phases, the learning phase and the reasoning phase. First up is learning. LoopQ learns in an unsupervised way. It creates unique, exclusive models autonomously, requiring no data scientist involvement, pre-programming, or language rules. Once the data is ingested by LoopQ, then it starts its reasoning phase. Here, Q performs deep semantic understanding of the domain, workflows, language, and specific nuance of the enterprise's way of communicating. The output of this phase is what we call a loop cortex that serves as a knowledge base for the cognitively enabled applications to be built on top of. You could think of LoopQ as the brain and the cognitively enabled applications as the limbs of the body. Or you could think of LoopQ as the engine of a car and everything else is connected to it. The third step happens once the loop cortex is built. Our system integration partners build the custom Q robots, whether it be cognitive robotic process automation or cognitively retrofitting existing and legacy systems, or special cognitively enabled applications. In a few short weeks, you'll have your new Q robot. The final step is to measure the success of the Q robots, the KPIs and the impact on the end users, refine the performance outcomes, and repeat with your next use case. For enterprises looking to digitally transform their business operations, it's important to use all the tools available to you, especially all of the data that your organization is creating, both structured and unstructured alike. Until next time, goodbye.